Hey guys, apologies that this video is so kind of disjointed. It's tough to edit video and audio together. This video was very long, so I cut out a lot of the first pour and just showed you the second pour, which is the fix. I'm not getting very many videos up anymore. The business portion of being an artist is taking up more time than actually creating the art. Thank you guys so much for watching. Help my channel grow. Subscribe, like, share. Please make sure that you are following me on my Facebook personal page so you can see what art I have for sale. I have so many pieces that need to find a new home. Make sure you check that information box. Go create something amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Jen. I hope everybody's doing good. Alright, we're going to be working on a 12 by 12 canvas. I have sprayed the back of my canvas. I put my C-hooks on and I have leveled my canvas. I'm going to do a ring pour. Normally I would do a thicker consistency for a ring pour, but we're going to see what happens if we use this consistency. Well, I don't like this ring pour. I have overstretched and my paint was too thin. So we're gonna do another pour on top of this. I think we're gonna do a flip cup. I don't do a lot of flip cups because I generally don't like the outcomes of my flip cups. Let me tell you about the colors that I'm using. A few months ago, I discovered the color Bordeaux Red from Arteza. It's a gorgeous color, I love it. So I'm using it today along with dioxazine purple, which is Liquitex, I believe. We're also going to use Artist Loft Flow White. I use the decoart 24 karat gold, and I'm also using a dark, not teal, dark aqua that I made. I mix a lot of my own colors. I enjoy it very much. I just mixed a ton of colors today. You can see them all next to me here. All right, y'all, here comes the fix. So I'm trying to transition to paper cups instead of plastic. What's your thoughts on that? Do you guys use plastic or paper? Yeah, I'm getting ready to do a Facebook sale for my art. I've got so many paintings that I need to sell. So if you don't follow me on Facebook, make sure you get over there and do a friend request. I think it's going to be on my personal page, and my personal page is under Jennifer Hillier Adams, so come follow me.